Black humor jokes. Q. Why do German shower heads have 11 holes? A. Jews have 10 fingers. Money jokes. No matter how hard we try, we never seem to save any money. Our neighbors are always buying something we can't Euro trademark T afford. Animal jokes. There are two types of ostriches, grey and blue. Grey ones scared hide their head in the sand. The blue ones sit in the bushes waiting for this moment. Money jokes. There is the story of a preacher who got up one Sunday and announced to his congregation, I have good news and bad news. The good news is, we have enough money to pay for our new building program. The bad news is, it's still out there in your pockets. Math jokes. Q. How many mathematicians does it take to change a light bulb? A. On average or do you want the whole distribution? Jokes about women. How many divorced women does it take to screw in a light bulb? 4. 1 to screw in the bulb, 3 to form a support group. Military jokes. Air Force approach, Eagle 13, turn right to 330. Eagle 13, Roger 330. App, Eagle 13, I've been working since last night, will you do me a favor? Eagle 13. Affirmative. Go ahead. App, down below on your right, you'll see a base house with yellow roof near the lake. That is my house. I had a fight with my wife, and I'm worried she might take it out on my Harley. Do you see a Harley Davidson near the house? Eagle 13, negative sir. Instead I can see a rider's truck. School jokes. Teacher, where is your homework? Pupil, I lost it fighting this kid who said you were in a Euro trademark T the best teacher in the school. School jokes. Teacher, why can't a Euro trademark T you work in an orange juice factory? Student, I don't a Euro trademark T. No. Why? Teacher, because you can't a Euro trademark T concentrate. Retirement jokes. How do I know that my youth is all spent? Well, my get up and go has got up and went. But in spite of it all I am able to grin when I recall where my get up has been.